Geography. So if you have like a geography test coming up, put it in the comments and I'll make a video all about it to help you. So anywho, let's just get started. I'm starting off with Asia. So one of the most predominant features of Asia is absolutely the plateau of Tibet, which is just around this area, with Bhutan, India, Pakistan, China, just all those. It's a massive, it has an average elevation of about 16,000 feet, being it the most highest inhabited place on Earth. So then you have another very interesting part, which is the Middle East. It's just like straight desert, except for Iran. It's extremely mountainous, and even on Google Maps or Google Earth, you can see the outline of Iran just by looking at the mountains. There are also two very large rivers that flow through here, the Tigris and the Euphrates River, which have been the breeding grounds for many different empires, Assyria, Babylon. It's like a ton of them. Then if we go further north, up here to Central Asia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan, and Tajikistan, to the strange Ustragut, I don't know how I'm pronouncing it, I'm just going to call it the U Plateau. It's like very high, and the borders are very messy over here. There are lots of enclaves going in and out of Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan just around this area. Kind of see how it looks kind of weird. And it also has lots of Russian influence. There are lots of Russians living in this area. So then we go to straight north. Everything past the Ural Mountains and Ural River, that's North Asia. So this whole entire expanse of land is basically Siberia, and it is very cold. It can get up to negative 48 degrees. So it's just really, really cold. It also hosts one of the largest lakes in Asia, Lake Baikal, which is the deepest lake in the world. It's this long boy right here. Then if we head straight south of Lake Baikal, you see Southeast Asia, or the Asian nations of Burma, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, Indonesia, East Timor, the Philippines. Did I get all of them? Okay, I got all of them. So, mostly these nations are pretty flat, unless about like here. It kind of gets mountainous from the Indian plate pushing up against the Eurasian plate. And this skinny little peninsula is the Malaya Peninsula, which just stretches out into the Andaman Sea and the South China Sea. There are also all these islands is the Malaya Archipelago, one of the largest archipelagos in the world, which has the island split between the most nations. Is split between three: Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei. You can't see him, but he's there. Another very interesting part of Asia is this area up here. So back before humans, this whole thing with this island and all of Japan, this used to be one massive peninsula, and the Sea of Japan used to be a massive lake. So mostly these areas are very shallow, except for the Sea of Japan, which also has lots of typhoons. Also, here in this region of China, has lots of population, and is really flat, really good for agriculture. Same with Bangladesh, because it's right on one of the largest river deltas in the world, the Ganges River Delta. Asia also has the largest part of the Caspian Sea, just the largest lake in the world. And yeah. Largest bodies of water is the Pacific Ocean, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, South China Sea, and this whole area, Bohai, Yellow, Sea of Japan, Sea of... Hold on one sec. Sea of Okhotsk. Oh no, I'm not Russian. It's kind of my map over there. So, Sea of Okhotsk. I don't know. So, we have Laptev Sea, the East Siberian, the Kara, and the Barents, with the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Indian Ocean to the south. Some of the major land borders with other continents include this strip of land right in between Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. You also have the canal. I forgot what it's called. I was literally going to say the Canal of Egypt. The Suez Canal. Yes, the Suez Canal. The Bosphorus Strait. And the largest one, the Ural Mountains. And the Ural River. It's kind of like that. One of the largest and most important rivers in Asia is the Mekong that flows all the way like up here. Kind of just like around there. The highest point is Mount Everest on the border of China and Nepal. Major tectonic plates would be the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate, which is this massive one. Same with the Pacific plate and the Indian Ocean plate. Wait, is there an Arctic plate? I'm going to look at that later. Anyway, I think that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this helped you on your latest geography test, or I don't know. Subscribe.